Hi, Bes. So, ganito. Ito yung mukha ng app. Once I send you the link, you're going to install and then connect it in your active Gmail. After you connect it in your active Gmail, in order for you to secure your account, is you're going to, yes, nag-video na ako. You're going to click here, settings, go to security, and secure your account with your number and personal email. Siyempre ito be, sa party na 'to be, once example ma-delete mo yung app, ma-install mo siya accidentally, dapat meron kang safety nito na screenshot. Isa-send mo sa only me mo sa any Facebook account para ma-secure mo lang talaga na meron ka at alam mo pa kung saan mo naka-connect si ano ba tawag dito si Pupu app. Si Pupu app is matagal na talaga 'to be, grabe. Hindi ko alam kung ilang tao na natulungan nito pero grabe talaga si Pupu app. I will let you see the previous payout. Kaya back to zero ako dito kasi hindi ko na talaga 'to ginagalaw yung hindi ko na ginagalaw yung ko be, yung Pupu kasi OJT na ako at busy graduating this June. Sobrang hirap na ilalaban yung pupo pa. So, hindi ako nagpupupo. So, ito yung parang pink, ito yung makukuha mo o mapipi out. These coins can be trade into your group mates. Charot lang. Group yourself into two. Kagrupo mo sa agency. So, dito sa Pupube, merong scammers at nag-iingat tayo. As long as you have an agency, doon kayo magte-trade, doon kayo mag-self-send. Sa self lang yung exchange sending sa trade. Trade kasi tawag ito. For example, I'm going to send you 500 coins. You're going to send me 500 coins. Papasok yan into pink. Pero parang lowest price na. Pero as long as papasok siya into pink. Dito sa coins is naka-optional kung recharge. Recharge yung gagastos ka para maka-coins. But I will not mandatory ask you to recharge kasi as a founder ako lang yung nagre-recharge in order to give you a reward for those active members. Next is here in the tasking. You can, once I click here, charot. O, di ba may lalabas ito, 60 minutes live. Sa akin, 1,000 na lang. Ito yung nasa explanation, be, na once regular host ka na, 1,000 na lang per day yung matatanggap mo. And then, here is sa solo live na which is 1 hour. Etong 1 hour, be, ito lang yung makaklaim mo. So, per day, total pink makaklaim mo is 1,800. 800. So, etong 2 hours, hindi yan makiklaim. Si 2 hours, hindi makiklaim. Si 1 hour, at eto lang, si live duration. So, ganito isa set up. Eto. Hindi ko alam na follow ko ba talaga yung sinasabi ko sa iyo. Basta nandito, be. Marami kasi dito. Dito. Eto. Wait lang. Loading yung mukha ko. Loading yung cellphone ko. Okay. Okay. Eto yung live. I-click mo lang yan. Attach picture, attach title. Click ka lang dyan. And then here, next. Here. Right. Okay. Pag lang. Need kasi mag-type dito. Ito is lang to, optional lang to. Either yung founder ninyo or member, may ibang member na sila yung maggaganito. Tas ito, the more kasi the merrier, yung makakaupo. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, Ben, na crown seat. So, dito, once ibang kiklik ko to, kaso, wag muna. Kasi lag yung cellphone ko. Once i-click ko to, pwede kayong automatic papasok. Kaya nga need to follow each other dito sa app. Here. And then, as you can see, sobrang rami nang nagpupupo, be. Even though OFW, mga may pamilya na, may mga anak na, they are still earning in pupo. And here's the payout. Diba? Sobrang tagal. 2014, 2015. 15. Sobrang tagal na, be. Nilalaban ko lang talaga. And then, yeah, yun lang. Yun lang. And then, for us to have a active member, I really hoping that you can help me with that. Click invite and then send the link. But, medyo dito, be, hirap tayong paano siya isa-send yung link. Here, my code. Parang screenshot to. Ito. Save album. Hindi ko alam, paano ba to? Nagbago na kasi si Wattpad. Hindi, basta. Wait now. I think yes naman. Okay? Ganyan. So, once mag-invite ka, automatic may papasok sa'yo. Again, here, puntak eto, daily live duration, 60 minutes, and party, 1 hour. Per day, yan yung tasking. Paano ba mag-claim ng coins? Oh my gosh, buti hindi ko nakalimutan. Ito. Nakikita mo to sa ibabaw, may counting. Yan, i-claim mo yan. Uupo ka dyan, kaso katulad nito, ayaw magpaupo, ganito sila ka, buraot. Ganun lang. Basta, huwag ka lang pumasok sa iba kasi para iwas din kasi maraming scam kay Pupo.